Assalamu alaikum. I wanted to talk to you guys about the difference between general business expenses and cost of goods sold. So the cost of goods sold are the direct expenses related to what you're selling, whereas other expenses are indirect to the cost of the business. So this is an example of a potato company. So in order to make the chips, they need the ingredients, they have to pay their workers, and the packaging costs. So those will be considered cost of goods sold, whereas advertising, rent, utilities, things like that are other business expenses. So I wanted to show you guys some real examples. I do have some ebooks that I've neglected over the years, but nevertheless, they do still make sales ever so often. So this is just some of the books that I have on Etsy. As you can see, these are a couple that have sold, so I just wanted to show you my seller dashboard as far as the expense breakdown. So we can see that from one book that was $3.69, it cost $1.20 just on this platform, and I only net $2.49 because of the listing fees, transaction fees, and processing fees through Etsy. So I'm going to show you another example, which was a yearly profit of $39. So here you can see the taxes that Etsy took and paid. The listing fee is 20 cents per item. Transaction fee 6.5%. They have a processing fee of 3% plus 25 cents. So it costs $20 to make this ebook and sell it on Etsy. So like my Canva subscription would be another one because I need that to make these ebooks. This is Amazon. So this is me showing you some KDP sales as well. So you can see here, it's 70% of the royalty is what I make on each sale. So it's listed for average $3.69, $3.49. You can see some different prices there. Sometimes people bought one book or two or whatever. So we're looking here and we can see that the average delivery cost was 40 cents, 30 cents. It depends on how many books they bought and if it was US or Canada. And you can see where the profit is like $2.50, $2.48, different things, $2.42. It just depends on what the cost was, but we can see here that the cost of that good was that fee that they charged. So I just wanted you to see some examples that were not a physical product, because when you make digital products, there still is cost involved in that. But long story short, all you have to do is keep good records or hire a bookkeeper like me, and then let your accountant or your tax preparer handle the rest. I just wanted you to see the difference between a general business expense and the cost of goods sold, but just keep good records.